Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the BMW M3 GTR in NFS Unbound. First, you need to complete the main story mode of the game. This is a crucial prerequisite before the car becomes available. Once the story is finished, you'll want to start accumulating a substantial amount of in-game cash. Aim for at least $1,000,000 to ensure you have enough for the purchase. After that, head to the in-game dealership. Once you are at the dealership, look for the Legendary Customs section. This is where special and iconic vehicles, including the BMW M3 GTR, are typically listed. The car should now be visible and available for purchase. Make sure you have enough cash, as it's a premium vehicle. Select the M3 GTR and confirm your purchase to add this legendary car to your garage. It's a straightforward process once the prerequisites are met. With the BMW M3 GTR now in your possession, head back to your garage. Here, you can access the car and begin customizing it to your liking. Focus on performance upgrades first to maximize its speed, acceleration, and handling on the streets. After optimizing its performance, dive into the visual customization options. You can change paint, add decals, and modify body kits to make your M3 GTR truly unique and stand out in Lakeshore City. Now that you have the BMW M3 GTR, take it out for a spin and get a feel for its unique handling. This car performs exceptionally well, but mastering it will give you an edge in races. Participate in high-heat events to quickly build your reputation and earn more cash for further upgrades. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy dominating the streets with your legendary ride and show everyone what you're made of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.